taking off the chassis cap, which is at the back of the laptop. So we'll be using a star point screwdriver, and then we will be removing all the screws. After removing the screws, what you want to do is you want to use something that's hard, like I use the SIM card holder because it's hard and it's also very flat, the surface. Just so in the inside, what you will see is your rim. So you want to push those 2 points back. You want to take out the rim. You have your battery, your hard drive, your motherboard, your heatsink, and your speakers. You're gonna untie the battery screws. And then you just want to push that back. And then you want to take the battery out. You want to take out your HDD. So you have 4 screws. You have one that side, you have one this side, one here, and then one there. So what you want to do is you want to just take off the screws. All 4 of them. You want to push this back. So that's how you remove the internal hard drive. Afterwards, let's say you want to remove your fan. What you do is you untie the screw there. Now you can remove it and just push it back, and then remove your fan. This is your Wi-Fi card, so you want to unclip the 2 connectors, the black one and the white one, and then you want to untie the screw there, because there's a screw. You want to untie it. So basically it's gonna come up, and then you want to remove it's gonna come up with a, say, about 30 degrees, and then you want to slide it out. Then basically what you want to do is, you want to untie the screw this side of the computer there. This is the one side of the USB input, and it's also connected to the motherboard. So you want to just first clip that up there, and then push it back, take the speaker wire, unclip that from the USB section of the motherboard. Then you have your speaker out, and then you want to untie the screw this side. And you want to take it out. So that's the one side of the motherboard where you have the one input for the USB. The back side here, you can see the back side, there's also a section of the motherboard. So you want to unclip that part and then just push it back. Just push that back. There we go. Untie that screw. So before you remove this one, you first want to remove the main motherboard. This side of the speaker. Push that back, take out the speaker. And see this side you want to unclip. You want to unclip this side. Push that back. Push that back. Okay, so this is connected to your keyboard. This is connected to your touchpad. So you want to clip that up. Take it out. Clip that up. Okay, now this one doesn't clip out. Actually, there's like a small black part at the back. So you just want to push that back. Take it out. It looks like this. And untie the screw that's sitting here. So you want to untie that screw. Push back the LCD wire because this is connected to your LCD. You want to unclip that side, clip it up, push it back, and there we go. So you remove your motherboard, and what you will know is that this is your heatsink. Where your heatsink is, you have numbers on this. It's numbered. Let me just see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the position how you're gonna untie it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have like a, they call it, I think it's cohesive adhesion or something like that. So it's like a paste that you put on the top of your CPU, and then you put this on top of your CPU. But usually with computers you have a whole heatsink, and then you have the whole cooling system. But with this one, it's just the small tube going straight to your intake, and your fan is basically connected this side, or your heat extractor, that's what we call it, because it's basically extracting the heat from your CPU. And that's how you disassemble your Acer Aspire 3 i5.